welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a living room refresh. After holidays, I love to redecorate my home and change some furnitures or change my things places just to give my home a new look. I really love to decorate my home, guys. If you are home decor lover, I'm inviting you to just ride along with me, guys, so you can have some great ideas if you have a small space like me, or if you're renting, regardless you have a big or small space. So I think I will share my passion with you guys so you can get some ideas as I go along decorate my home. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, this video is in collaboration with HERNEST that sent me this coffee table. And guys, I really love to do the unboxing because I just want to make you see how everything look like if you decide to buy one of them, what to expect. As you can see, it has a manual instruction and the pieces inside the box. The whole process took about 30 minutes to install. It will vary depend on the person that put it together, but it took my son about this time to put it together. As you can see guys, it's well wrapped with bubble wrap. It's very good, so you don't have to worry about your item. So there's one particular way when you buying online, so you don't know what to expect. I really like the fact it was very easy to put together, so it's a big plus for me. And as you can see guys, I just put something on the floor just to lay the table to prevent scratch. So you can try to do it any way that you want, but me, that's the way I choose to do it. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, home decor, DIY, and a little bit of everything. And if you are not new, you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. All my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, I live in a small apartment. Storage is a big plus for me. As you can see, this coffee table has two big drawers that you can store anything inside, starting from remote. You can even store candle, anything you can store. Guys, you know I love flowers, so every video you're going to see some type of flowers. And if I can have the real one, I will put the artificial one. And guys, you know, most of the time you will see artificial because it's prevent me from buying over and over. Okay guys, I always use designer book on my coffee table, and this pretty angel, it's very nice. I like it. It's so cute. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. I love those candle holders. They are pretty, but I'm not using candles today. I'm going to leave them just like that. And I'm going to use the little vase just to put more extraness to my coffee table. And guys, you can never go wrong with some candle to make the home smell good. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, just give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. This coffee table is very beautiful guys. The link will be in the description box down below, so if you are looking for something like that, feel free to check them out. And that's the back of the table. Very nice. It's similar to the front, but the only one, the front has the handle, the back doesn't. It's very beautiful guys. So, and they have gold, they have silver. Even you don't like mine, you can always go to the website because they have other style and colors to choose from. Get in my way now, don't be This wall art, I got it from Burlington, which is I really love. This is a new addition to my home, guys, as you can see. So I'm changing pretty much everything. So in this corner I had my little DIY, guys. It's not the best, but I love it because I put too much effort and time, and I always bring it back sometimes in time just to change it and everything, as you can see. So it has to go because I couldn't put any garland on the glass table that I have, this one. So that's why I put my little DIY, because I knew I was going to use this one for after Christmas just to change the look. And I really like the way it turns out. This is a partial of the decor that I'm having right now. So stay tuned to see how I turn the full house for winter. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non mais c'est merci, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si c'est la première fois, tout le monde merci un peu pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos, moi j'aime nous. Alright guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!